Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 13 mini for Metro by T-Mobile. So the iPhone 13 mini is not here at Metro, so it's a bit long. So here is the iPhone 13 mini right here. So quick specs, want to let you guys know what the iPhone 13 series are by now. It has a 5.4-inch Super Retina XDR display, dual 12 megapixel cameras in the rear, and super fast 5G outright. So the price on this iPhone 13 mini is $729.99 for retail price, but if you guys switch to Metro, y'all guys can get this phone for $529.99. When you guys switch to Metro and trade in an eligible device, you guys must do that. If you guys want to get the discount, you guys must switch to Metro. You guys probably have to port over your number, and you guys want to trade in an eligible device, so do keep it in mind. So $529.99, not bad for this phone here. So there's the front there. The front has your notch, your camera, and your earpiece, and then on the right side of the phone has your power button. Left side of the phone has your has your volume keys and your alert switch. And that's all we're gonna get for the phone. If you guys wanna see front and back of the phone, you guys just look up here. There's the back and there's the front. So it says here, iPhone 13 mini, the most advanced dual camera system ever on an iPhone. Lightning fast A15 bionic chip, a leap in battery life, durable design, super fast 5G, and a brighter Super Retina XDR display. It has a 5.4-inch display, Super Retina XDR display, cinematic mode, adds shadow depth of field, and shift focus automatically in your videos. Advanced dual camera system with 12 megapixel wide and ultra wide cameras, photographic styles, Smart HDR4, night mode, 4K Dolby Vision HDR recording, 12 megapixel true depth front camera with night mode and 4K Dolby Vision HDR recording, A15 bionic chip for lightning fast performance. It says it's at select Metro by T-Mobile stores. Prices may vary in store. They got 5 colors here. They got black, blue, pink, red, and white. It's like a whitish silver color or whatever. So yeah, offers available. So if you guys want to get the discount, you guys must switch to Metro, like I said, and you guys also must trade in the eligible device, and you guys must do this at a Metro store. Alright, so that's pretty cool. And you guys want to pay sales tax and activation fees and shit like that. So it's here, iPhone 13, you need superpower, a super bright display, and a durable design, Hollywood worthy video shooting made easy, a lightning fast chip, a big boost in battery life you'll notice every day. Super bright, super colorful, super sharp, a more vivid OLED display that's both easy to see in full sunlight and power efficient, with a durable design that's water and dust resistance. So it has Super Retina XDR display, water resistance, aerospace grade aluminum edges, ceramic sealed 5 stunning finishes. iPhone went to film school, so you don't have to. Automatically create beautiful depth effects and focus transitions in your videos. Bring a new level of storytelling to the scenes you shoot. Says ceramic cinematic mode is also available on the true depth front camera, so that's pretty cool. Totally advanced camera, simply brilliant photos. A huge upgrade for better photos and videos, more light captured with The wide camera sensor shift optical image stabilization, and more detail in dark areas as referred to as with the ultra-wide camera. A new diagonal design fits the larger wide camera and sensor. Raises the bar for battery life. A big boost in battery life you'll notice every day. That means more time to watch, game, and do more of what you love, even on iPhone 13 mini. Up to 19 hours of video playback on a single charge. A15 Bionic chip. Speed boosting, camera elevating, power optimizing chip. A15 Bionic chip powers graphic intensive games and new camera features like cinematic mode and photographic styles. It's more efficient, helping deliver longer battery life, fast performance today, and powerful capabilities for years to come. Alright. No one does 5G like iPhone. Everything happens so much faster on 5G. It's fast enough for multiplayer gaming and more. And smart data mode automatically saves battery power when you don't need all that speed. While iPhone does nothing like the iPhone, smart performance, Apple design chip for speed, power efficiency, and intelligence. And everything you do protects your privacy. Every aspect is designed to keep your information private and secure, durable, and retains value. iPhone is built to last and holds its value longer than other smartphones, and that is true, guys. Sustainability. iPhone is designed with the environment in mind, using recycled materials. So you guys can compare iPhones here. So see which one's right for you. You guys can compare specs and everything else. The iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max have their permission feature on there, so it's pretty cool. Device specifications. Has 128 gigabytes of storage, 5.4-inch Super Retina XDR display, 12 megapixel true depth front camera with night mode, and 4K Dolby Vision HDR recording. There is no external memory because this is iPhone. Mobile hotspot, capable of course 12.5 hours of talk time, iOS 15 on board, and you guys will get iOS updates for like 5 years, so that's pretty fucking insane. A15 Bionic chip. The iPhone 13 mini weighs 4.97 ounces. There is y'all accessories. Y'all guys can go to Amazon and get your accessories for the iPhone 13 mini. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, there you guys have it. The iPhone 13 mini is now available at Metro by T-Mobile for $729.99 for retail price. But if you guys want to get a discount on it, switch to Metro and trade in an eligible device to get $300 off. $300 off. If it's $300 off, it should be $429, right? But it says $300 off here. But if you guys want to get the iPhone 13 mini for $529.99, switch to Metro and trade in an eligible device. Pretty simple there. And you guys will have to put your number over the Metro as well. So yeah, there you guys have it. iPhone 13 mini now available at Metro by T-Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.